Hi, in this video we will continue our chapter, magnetism. In the previous video, we ended up talking about the solenoid. Now, a magnet, like the solenoid, that is made by passing electrical current through a wire is called an electromagnet. It can be turned on or off. But how do you think you can turn off an electromagnet? Since it depends on electricity, then stopping the current flowing will turn off the electromagnet. Now here's an example of an electromagnet picking up a car. When turning it on, then off. Now, do you know that we can control the strength of an electromagnet? There are several factors to increase the strength. We can increase the current flowing through the coil. We can increase the number of coils. And putting a core of magnet material inside the solenoid, since the iron core becomes magnetized and makes the field stronger. Now let's find the size of the magnetic field strength inside the solenoid. Consider a solenoid that has n turns and its length is denoted by L. So the equation of the magnetic field strength is going to be equal to mu0 n multiplied by the current passing through it over its length L.